Hello friends, so welcome back once more, and we have a physics question to solve in motion. Let's look at the question. It says a particle accelerates uniformly from rest at 6 meters per second squares for 8 seconds and then decelerates uniformly to rest in 5 seconds. We are asked to determine the magnitude of deceleration. All right, now, so for us to handle this solution, we need to state all the given parameters and know what we want expected to do. They say the particle accelerates uniformly from rest. So from rest, it simply means that its initial velocity, u, will be 0 meter per second. Now, and accelerates at 6 meters. So acceleration is also given to us, a, which is 6 meter per second square. Now, for a time of what? 8 seconds, t is given to us for 8 seconds. So for us to be able to work this, we need to find its final velocity v. And for us to find the final velocity, which of the equations of motion will fit? I think v is equal to u plus at will do justice to this. Now substituting, v will be equal to, our u is what? 0, plus our a is what? 6. Our t is what? 8 seconds, sorry, times 8. So therefore, the final velocity will be 48 meter per second. So we have seen that that vehicle that was moving got to this velocity. So now at this velocity, it begins to what? Decelerate. So for the deceleration aspect, it simply means that this velocity becomes its initial velocity. So therefore, the u will now become 48 meter per second. And what is the time it took for deceleration? The time is what? T given to us here is what? 5 seconds. And remember, when a vehicle decelerates, its final velocity becomes what? 0. So v finally is what? 0 meter per second. So which equation do you think will be suitable for this? So using v again is equal to u plus at. Now substituting what we have here, this v becomes 0 is equal to, what's our u now? 48 plus, at this point we are looking for acceleration because we don't know the acceleration of its detail that it's using coming down. A times the time is what? 5. So we are left with 0 is equal to 48 plus 5a. Now, collecting like terms and simplifying, we know that 5a is equal to minus 48. So a here, we want alone, we divide here by 5. Because we are looking at the what? To determine what? The magnitude of deceleration. So a will be simply minus 48 divided by 5. A will be equal to minus 9.6 meter per second square. So it simply means that the vehicle decelerated. Deceleration simply means coming to rest. It decelerated at minus 9.6 meter per second square. Bye.